Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to remember someone's name just seconds after being introduced? If so, you're not alone. Occasional forgetfulness is normal. But if it's happening too often, it might be a sign that your brain isn't functioning at its best. The good news? You can train your brain to improve memory and recall, just like you train your muscles at the gym. One of the biggest reasons for memory problems is chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with brain function. High levels of cortisol over time can damage the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. If you find yourself forgetting things often, take a step back and assess your stress levels. Meditation, deep breathing, and short breaks throughout the day can help lower cortisol levels and improve focus. Another major culprit is lack of sleep. Your brain processes and stores new information while you sleep, so if you're not getting enough rest, your memory suffers. Studies show that people who sleep less than 6 hours per night have a harder time retaining information and making decisions. The fix? Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sticking to a regular sleep schedule, reducing screen time before bed, and avoiding caffeine in the evening can make a huge difference in improving memory and mental clarity. Your diet also plays a crucial role in memory and brain function. Eating too much processed food, sugar, and unhealthy fats can cause brain fog and slow cognitive function. To sharpen your memory, add brain-boosting foods like blueberries, walnuts, salmon, avocados, and dark chocolate to your diet. These foods are packed with antioxidants, omega-3s, and healthy fats, which protect brain cells and enhance memory retention. Even something as simple as drinking more water can help, as dehydration can lead to forgetfulness and difficulty concentrating. Another sneaky reason you may be forgetting things is lack of mental stimulation. Your brain needs regular exercise just like your body to stay sharp. If you're stuck in the same routine every day, your brain isn't being challenged enough. Simple activities like learning a new skill, playing memory games, doing puzzles, or even reading a book can help keep your brain active and improve recall. Distractions are also a major cause of forgetfulness. If you're constantly multitasking or checking your phone while doing something, your brain doesn't fully process the information, making it harder to remember later. A simple trick to fix this is being fully present in the moment. Whether you're having a conversation, studying, or completing a task, try to focus 100% on it without distractions. You'll be surprised at how much better you remember things. Another powerful memory-boosting technique is association and visualization. If you struggle to remember names, try associating them with a visual image. For example, if you meet someone named Lily, picture a flower in your mind. If you need to remember a list of things, create a mental story linking the items together in a fun way. This makes recall much easier. Finally, regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your memory. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, helps grow new brain cells, and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. Even a simple 30-minute walk each day can have powerful brain-boosting effects. Memory loss isn't just a sign of aging, it's often the result of lifestyle habits that can be changed. By managing stress, getting enough sleep, eating brain-healthy foods, staying mentally active, reducing distractions, and exercising regularly, you can sharpen your memory and improve focus for life. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you challenge it and take care of it, the stronger it becomes. Try these simple fixes, and you'll notice the difference in how quickly and easily you remember things.